Hey, what's up everybody? I'm Shirley. Welcome back. Today I'd like to share with you about injection molding production and some massive injection molding machines. Our orders from overseas customers has been decreased, unfortunately, due to coronavirus pandemic. But the good news is we get more domestic orders and customers as pandemic situation has been fundamentally controlled and the business is going up in China. This is one of a big product we are making right now for our Shenzhen customer. Now let me show you. Very big product. Very big product. As far as I know, this product will be used for Foxconn company. Yes, Foxconn, Apple phone's top supplier. But when I look at the part at the first time, my first reaction was, wow, such a big sewing machine spool. Why a sewing machine spool? Because my mom was a sewing master in the 1980s. I have seen lots of spoons at home and played them as a toy when I was a kid. To be honest, I and my little brother hardly had any new clothes at that time because my mom could alter their old clothes to our new clothes for money saving. We are very lucky to have a great mom, as not everyone is as lucky as us to have new clothes. Because everyone was in poverty, the whole country was in poverty, and the mold industry even has not been introduced to China yet back in 80th generation. But after several decades development, now China has been a new, faster developing country and the second largest economy in the world. I could never ever imagine that one day this similar and familiar product can be made in our company. Obviously, this product is not for sewing machine, and I will show you where the product will be used for in my next video. So please stay tuned and subscribe to my channel. People saying injection molding machine is money making machine. What do you think? Well, in my opinion, it depends on what product do you make and what are the requirements of the products. For example, if it's a simple product without any critical dimensions and surface finishing requirements, but with massive production quantity like millions, I'm sure you can make money, but the profit won't be high. If it's a product with critical sizes and the external surface have to be perfect, such as no sink marks, no welding line, no flashes, color have to be pure, like pure white, pure transparency without mottle, then you have to have very experienced and skillful production workers to adjust injection molding parameters to solve all these possible potential problems. I'm sure the profit is good, but it's easy to have defect products because of the high requirements, and is risky for sure, like any business in the world. Recently, the price of plastic material is surging rapidly in China. Our boss said he will be happy if our recent production products can keep break even due to the price increasing of plastic material. So do you still think injection molding machine is money making machine? Anyway, let's go to the molding shop to see the production of this product and the massive injection molding machine and massive tools. I see you there. Look at this mold. It's taller than me. Oh my God, what a mess this through.
像是那个色粉一样的，它那个好轻的，沸的时候整个身体都它是有空气。